election day number 2 ahead for everybody else. What we want to do is start out by taking a look at the map to see exactly how the votes that have been called in the states where the Associated Press has made a calling on the race. And what we have so far is Vice President Joe Biden is ahead at 238 votes, and we see President Trump sitting at 213. But now let's break into what we see going on with the latest results in the most significant states. Right now, we see this is in Pennsylvania, which is the most hotly desired state because of the Republicans delivering for President Trump. But let's take a look at the contested states. We already looked at Pennsylvania. Also, we want to take a look at Wisconsin, and we are expecting that within the absentee ballots, and that's what we're waiting for to happen. And then lastly, let's go to Georgia here. Georgia, another one of the hotly contested states. Again, President Trump up to Joe Biden, but a very slim margin. We're looking at here 100,000 votes is what we're looking for. And this is where they are still counting the votes.
Each candidate has so far. Good morning, Kirstin.
Yeah, good morning to you guys. And what we're seeing right now is a real differentiation between the states as far as who's continuing to count and who has decided to stop counting. And the headline so far is we've got a big ballot counting dump that just came in from Wisconsin, putting Biden ahead by nearly 11,000 votes. These are very thin margins. Push either President Trump or former Vice President Joe Biden over the finish line. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on. The most recent states to call during the late night, early morning hours were Arizona. During the late night, early morning hours were aired. We've got 10 electoral votes that are at play here. But this is the current map as it breaks out so far this morning. You can see the key states that we're really watching for. Wisconsin, we've got 10 electoral votes that are at play here. But this is the current map as it breaks out so far this morning. You can see the key states. President Trump or former Vice President Joe Biden over the finish line. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on, the Republican majority. But then let's take a look at what's going on with the toss-up. Now with the election results that we have seen in, we know that they're sitting in a dead tie here, 47-47, taking into account the two independents who actually caucus with the Democrats. But what I want to do is take a look at the senatorial races and how they are breaking out right now. Let's start in Kentucky.